To power on your Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, you can find the power switch right here. Then click and hold this switch for around 5 seconds. Then you can let go and wait around 10 to 20 seconds until your robot is powered on. You will be able to identify that it is powering on by hearing a jingle. So let me do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go of the button and wait until you hear that jingle. And our robot is on. In case that your device won't power on, you may need to charge it, so get a charging station that comes along with this specific robot, and then you can put it in manually. Just make sure that the two metal parts sticking out from the robot fits into two metal parts sticking out from the charging station. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.